Exercise number 1, Tricep Dips Machine. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit on the machine and grip the handles. Push the handles downward by extending your arms fully. Control the movement as you return to the starting position, keeping tension on your triceps. Exercise number 2, Dumbbell Lateral Raise. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Stand with a dumbbell in each hand at your sides. Raise your arms out to the sides until shoulder height. Lower them slowly with control. Exercise number 3, Dumbbell Incline Bench Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on an incline bench with dumbbells at chest level. Press the weights upward until your arms are extended. Lower them slowly while maintaining control. Exercise number 4, Barbell Seated Overhead Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Sit with a barbell at shoulder height. Press it overhead until your arms are fully extended. Lower it back down with control while keeping your core tight. Exercise number 5, Barbell Bench Press. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Lie on a flat bench and grip the bar slightly wider than shoulder width. Lower it to your chest, then press it upward until your arms are extended. Exercise number 6, Barbell Overhead Tricep Extension. Sets, 3. Reps, 8 to 10. Hold a barbell overhead with both hands. Bend your elbows to lower the bar behind your head. Extend your arms back up while keeping your elbows close.